hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Vlogmas day 12, and it's 13 more days to Christmas. So guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Temidayo Ojieyan, and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you want to see more of all these things, you need to subscribe to my channel. So please, can you subscribe to my channel, click the like button as well as notification bell, and that's the only way you get to know when I drop new videos. So today's Vlogmas is special because it's another edition of Host Me. But guys, it's the reversible one because this is my home and I'm hosting my friend Armando. He's going to be teaching us how to cook something yummy. And Armando is from Argentina, so I'm going to leave him to introduce himself and tell us what he has for us today. So, Armando.
Oh, bonjour mon ami Temi. Merci beaucoup pour votre invitation. Happy to be with you.
Same here.
Yeah, we are doing some good stuff here, and we are planning to have some Argentinian dish with a special sauce. Okay, we have a beautiful piece of pork in here. It's a shoulder blade steak, and then we do a chimichurri sauce. Wow. I know it's very hard to pronounce.
Yes, let me try pronouncing
it.
Chimichurri sauce.
No, it's chimichurri sauce.
Okay, chimichurri sauce.
Yes.
I got it.
It's a chimichurri sauce. This is a funny name, but I will explain later what is the meaning, what is the background of this funny word. But yeah, we can start when you want.
Okay, thank you, Armando. So guys, we're going to be having chimichurri sauce now, and I'm going to show you guys all what we have as the ingredients. They will go right into cooking.
You like it? Okay, we have here a beautiful piece of meat. It's a pork. It's a shoulder blade steaks. Two pieces, two beautiful pieces. And then we have here for ingredients red wine. It's only a half cup of red wine. I will use some of soy sauces for the marination. I will use salt. This is the Himalayan salt one. Nice. Black pepper. I will have the black pepper here also. And then I will also use garlic powder, ginger powder, and red pepper powder. This is all the ingredients to make these beautiful pieces of meat. We need to marinate our pork with all the ingredients, and then we will cook it.
Okay, good.
Okay, perfect. We will start with the salt, okay? We need to cover from these beautiful pieces of meat with salt. Sprinkle over. And the same with black pepper. Then with the garlic powder. It's a little bit. You know, it's all depends on your taste. How do you like it? This is the ginger. This give a beautiful smells and mixes combination of flavors. Yeah. Ginger one.
I love those.
Yeah, and then this red pepper to bring some color to your meat. Okay, now the liquids. First of all, pouring a little bit of, I will use a spoon to this part. I will use a little bit of soy sauce on the top, like this. Then we will have the red one in the top. Okay, we will do this process in both sides of the pieces of meat. Okay, I will turn over and do the same ingredients, same order in the other side.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. Okay? Come on. We're gonna dance. Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna
So we're going to be using the air fryer for this.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's a nice machine. I never use it. Can we use this spray in the?
Yeah, just
here?
spray it a bit. Yes.
Okay. Like this.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
And we're
Okay.
going to place the
Now,
wings.
exactly. Now we will place the meat.
Let me just get one more.
Okay, one piece is there, and the other piece is gonna be there. That's gonna be reducing a little bit, but
Oh,
not
yes.
too much. But okay, now it's in place. And then don't forget to pour out all the juices.
and having a good
Okay, perfect. I believe we have everything ready to cook. I'll move a little bit here. Okay, you need to distribute all the ingredients, the juices. Okay, perfect. Oh, it smells very nice. Okay.
Already? Good.
Okay, perfect.
All
So
right.
let's set up this in cooking mode and then. Okay, perfect. Our pieces of pork is in this moment in the machine. It's cooking very nicely because we want to have our steak very full cooked, a golden brown color on it, and then you will see it. You will see it. And now we are ready to prepare the chimichurri sauce.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. We will start with parsley. It's a bunch of parsley. We have also cilantro. We have oregano. We will have olive oil, red wine, salt, black pepper, red pepper in flakes. This is the spicy ones I will show you. Garlics, some cloves of garlics, onion, lemon juice, vinegar. Okay, this is the old ingredient that we will need to make only half amount of the bunch. Okay, the idea is to cut it off. Okay, we need to take all the stems out. Only we use the leaves. Okay, and then you can keep the thin stems. This is no big issue. Okay, because this has a lot of flavor also. Okay, we have our leaves of parsley ready to go, and then we will have some cilantro. Okay, let me tell you something. The traditional Argentinian chimichurri only has parsley. Okay, but in some region they use cilantro. Okay, and I love the cilantro. This adds some like a Mexican flavor on it. Okay, because the cilantro. Oh my goodness, the smelling is very nice. Okay, and you can only cut the leaves and take out the stems, the same as the parsley. Yeah, that is all the green part of the sauces. Okay, this part needs a lot of work here. Maybe you can have your kids, your husband, your wife helping in this part because we need to keep only the leaves. Okay, only the leaves. Only the leaves.
Do you want me to help you with some?
Oh no,
Okay, you're
I am
fine.
ready. Yeah, I am ready. It's, the variation is endless, okay? It's up to you. You can use other herbs. For example, I used to use also rosemary. You can add dill. You can add tarragon. You can, yeah, the herbs that you can use it in this recipe is endless. Okay, but I am showing you only the traditional Argentinian. The traditional Argentinian only has parsley and a little bit of cilantro. Okay? Okay, we need to roll this out. Okay, roll this out and make a nice cutting. Take care of your finger because you don't want to cut your finger off, you know.
in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with
The third herb, which is the oregano. Okay, this is a fresh oregano. As you see, fresh oregano. Again, I only use the top part of the bunch and only the leaves. Okay? You can use a dried oregano also, it's up to you. But if you are using dry oregano, you need to add a little bit of hot water, okay, because you want to add some humidity to your dry oreganos. But when you are using fresh like this, you don't need it. You don't need it at all.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. Okay? Come on. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
We will start with the garlic cloves, okay? I will use for this amount of herbs 4 cloves, okay? 4 cloves, and then I will use small pieces. It's maybe a third part of the onion, okay? It's an onion. And again, it is an addition from myself because the traditional one only has garlic, but I love the onion also in the chimichurri sauce. Okay, you can make your chimichurri sauce at your own style. Okay, you can make your Temidayo style chimichurri. Yeah, you can add herbs as I mentioned before, rosemary, dill, thyme, any type of herbs.
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can
We have everything ready here, all chopped off, okay, very tiny, very finely chopped, okay. Now, we will do this. We have everything ready, okay. We will transfer these herbs, garlic, onion, okay, let's see, parsley, cilantro, and oregano all together with the garlic, minced garlic, and the onions also. Okay, perfect. We have ready our green part. Now, okay, let's start for salt. Okay, a little bit salt, not too salty. Okay, it's up to you. And I will use few amount of salt. It's only a pinch of salt. Also, black pepper. Perfect, thank you. Black pepper. I love the black pepper. I use in more quantity, almost double than the salt. Okay. I will use these flakes. It's a red pepper flakes. Has peels and also the seeds. It is up to you. How hot do you want your chimichurri? Okay. I love very spicy, hot. My sauces. I will use like this. Okay. Only this. That adds a beautiful color also in your sauce. Okay, now we will use lemon juice. Okay, for this amount I use only like 4 spoons of lemon juice. I will use red wine. Okay, like 2 spoons of red wine, and then I will use extra virgin olive oil. Okay, perfect. I will put it here, just in case. Now, we have this beauty vinegar. It's a red wine vinegar. Like this. Okay? Perfect. And at the top, Tammy has this beauty. This beauty is a special, very flavorful olive oil. I believe it's from somewhere in Europe. Could be Greece or Italy. I don't know. But it smells nice. I will only a pinch of this because it's very dense. It's not too liquid. Okay, perfect. All the ingredients is already here. The steaks are here. Okay, the steaks are already beautiful cooked. Very color brown and golden color as you see. Yeah, perfectly done. Okay, pork I love to have done. You know, but if I use a meat, I prefer rare.
Okay.
But with pork, I prefer like this. It's perfectly good to cook. And then I have ready the sauce, ready to go. You see, very whisk, all the combination of flavor, everything ready. It's a good idea to have this sauce rest for a few hours to have all the flavor of the herbs and the spiciness and everything mixed together. And also you can keep for the next day, maybe overnight. But in this moment, we will use it right away because we are hungry. We have everything done here. I would like to have a try, okay? Because I want to see I want to see if the flavor needs some adjustments, like a little bit more of salt or pepper, black pepper, or the red hot chili pepper. We don't know. Okay, let me try it a little bit. Okay, let me try it. For me it's perfect, but
Okay.
check yours. Check yours. Check yours. If you need to add more salt, you can
Smells
do
so
it.
good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Wow.
Right?
I love this, guys. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Yeah, the flavor, all the
Yeah, the
combination,
flavor.
you know, the garlic, the onion, the cilantro, the parsley, you know, all the ingredients, they are mixed together.
Yeah, I love the sour taste from the lemon juice
Yeah,
combined with the red wine. It's,
yeah, exactly.
then I can feel the onions and the garlic. I think with cilantro.
Yeah.
What's the other one? The
Oregano?
oregano, yes.
Yeah, the oregano, yeah, it's very nice, very nice. The olive
This
oil.
is full of flavor, guys.
Yeah, the olive oil adds all the juiciness and the oily thing, you know, that's very beautiful. Now, because everything is now ready, okay, we use to drizzle a little bit of extra drizzles in the top of your meat, okay, like this.
This looks so good, guys. Like, I can't wait to eat this. This smells so good.
Yeah.
And this chimichurri is lovely.
Yeah. I recommend also to have this dish with a cup of wine, Malbec from Argentina if you want, or if you can get it. Okay, that's gonna be a beautiful combination with this Argentinian food. As you know, Argentina is very famous for barbecuing, for meats, everything grilled or over the barbecue. We call asado. Asado is everything in barbecue. Okay, we can do all the meat that you want, any poultry, any fishes, everything. And then the
Rich sauce, flavor, sweetness, spicy. It's just a perfect sauce, guys. This is perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys do enjoy this section with Armando. And Armando, thank you so much for coming. This is lovely. I can't really wait to eat this. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you, Armando. Thank you so much. This is lovely. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Click the like button and also share my videos with your family and friends. Until tomorrow when I bring you another exciting Vlogmas. Bye!